Have you ever had your credit card application denied? You're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, and it's not just those with low credit scores who face this hurdle. Even high-profile individuals like Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, have had their applications turned down. Yes, you heard that right. The head of a tech giant was initially denied a credit card from his own company. Now, it's important to understand that a denied application doesn't mean you're financially doomed. It's merely a bump in the road, often due to factors such as credit scores, high credit utilization, or a negative credit history. And these are all things you can work on. In fact, it's crucial to remember that lenders aren't rejecting you as a person. They're simply assessing risk based on the information they have at hand. So don't take it personally. Instead, view it as an opportunity to take a closer look at your financial habits and make necessary adjustments. So what can you do if your credit card application is denied? Let's delve into that. But before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. The first step is understanding why your application was denied. When your credit card application is rejected, it's natural to feel a bit taken aback. But rather than dwelling on the disappointment, it's crucial to focus on the why. Knowing why your application was denied can offer you valuable insights and pave the way to a successful application in the future. Lenders by law are required to provide reasons for denial. This explanation might come in the form of a letter, an email, or a message on the online application portal. You should always request this explanation if it's not immediately provided. Remember, this isn't a personal critique, but rather a tool to help you understand your financial standing from the lender's perspective. Now, what could be some common reasons for denial? Firstly, low credit scores often top the list. Your credit score is like your financial report card, representing your reliability as a borrower. A low score may signal to the lender that lending to you carries a higher risk. Next, high credit utilization could also be a stumbling block. This is the ratio of your outstanding credit card balances to your credit card limits. If this ratio is high, it might indicate to lenders that you rely heavily on credit, which could be a red flag. Lastly, negative credit history is another common reason for denial. This could include late payments, defaulted loans, or bankruptcy. Such factors might make lenders apprehensive about your ability to repay the credit card debt. However, remember that these are not exhaustive reasons, and each lender might have their own unique set of criteria. It's always beneficial to understand the specific requirements of the lender you're applying to. Once you know the reason, you can start to address it. And that's what we'll dive into in the next segment. Stay tuned. Addressing the issues that led to your denial is crucial. It's time to get practical and proactive. Let's dive into some steps you can take to address common issues that may have led to your credit card application denial. Firstly, improving your credit score is a must. But how does one go about it? It's simple. Stay informed. Regularly check your credit score and understand where you stand. An array of online platforms can help you keep track of your credit score and even provide tips on how to improve it. In this regard, consider the impact of credit utilization on your score. This refers to the percentage of your credit limit that you're using. If it's high, it might be an indication to lenders that you're overly dependent on credit, which could be a red flag. A good rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This might involve paying down your balances or even requesting a higher credit limit on your existing cards to increase the overall credit available to you. Next, making on-time payments cannot be stressed enough. This forms a significant part of your credit history, and a track record of punctual payments can go a long way in enhancing your creditworthiness in the eyes of lenders. Whether it's utility bills, student loans, or car payments, ensuring they're paid on time will have a positive impact on your credit score. But what if your credit history is sparse or non-existent? In such cases, secured credit cards or credit builder loans can be a viable option. Secured credit cards require a refundable deposit, which typically becomes your credit limit. They can help you build a positive credit history over time, provided you use them responsibly. Similarly, a credit builder loan holds the amount you borrow in a bank account while you make payments. Once the loan is paid off, you get the money. This way, you can build credit while saving money. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Improving your credit score and addressing the issues that led to your credit card application denial is a journey that requires time, patience, and consistent effort. With these steps, you can start improving your chances of approval. So, let's get started on this journey to financial empowerment. What if you've addressed the issues but still get denied? There are other options. Let's say you've taken the steps to address the issues that led to your credit card application denial. You've worked diligently to improve your credit score, you've paid down balances, and you've ensured there are no inaccuracies on your credit report, but alas, your application is still denied. What's next? Well, one option is to ask for reconsideration. You have the right to request the credit card issuer to reconsider their decision. This might involve a phone call or a written letter where you make a case for why you believe you're a good credit risk. You can highlight your efforts to improve your credit, your steady income, or any other factors that demonstrate your financial responsibility. But what if reconsideration doesn't work? Or what if you'd rather explore other avenues? Well, there are plenty of fish in the sea and countless credit cards on the market. Consider applying for a different card. Not all credit card issuers have the same approval criteria, so another card may be a better fit for your current credit profile. Another approach is to become an authorized user on someone else's card account. This can be a friend or a family member who trusts you. As an authorized user, you can benefit from their good credit habits, which can help boost your own credit score. Just make sure the person you're linking your credit to has good credit habits themselves. Finally, consider checking for pre-qualification offers. Many credit card issuers offer a pre-qualification check that lets you gauge your approval chances without impacting your credit score. These checks use a soft inquiry which doesn't affect your credit score like a hard inquiry does, so while a denial might feel like a setback, it's important to remember it's not the end of the world. It's just a temporary roadblock on your path to achieving your financial goals. Remember, a denial is not the end of the world. There are always other options. So, what did we learn today about handling credit card application denials? Well, we've discovered that understanding the reason for denial is the first crucial step. This can range from low credit scores and high credit utilization to negative credit history. By obtaining an explanation, you can pinpoint the areas that need improvement. Next, we've addressed how to tackle these issues. Improving your credit score, reducing high balances, and making timely payments are all effective strategies. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but consistent effort over time. We've also explored other options such as reconsideration requests, applying for a different card, or becoming an authorized user on someone else's account. Pre-qualification offers can also help gauge approval chances without impacting your credit score. Finally, we discussed the importance of not rushing to reapply. Take your time to improve your credit status and do your research. With this knowledge, you can navigate credit card application denials confidently and effectively. Remember, persistence is key. If you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. Thanks for watching.